we just added a custom muffler to this unit. Golly. Adjustable. Oh, wait. Ain't that something? We're gonna go cruise it around. I'm whipping the POV hat. So. All right, guys, before we get into today's video, I just want to let you guys know we do have merch available finally. Peep the hat, boys, and take a look at this. We got the broken boosted shirt. This was my sample unit, so this logo is a little bigger now on the real shirts. You can see the pictures on the website. Got the broken boosted logo on the front. Jaeger bomb tuned on one of the sleeves here, and then look at that, boys. This one's all wrinkly and stuff. I've been wearing it. These are actually really high quality shirts, guys. There you go. 100% cotton heavyweight shirts. These are really nice, high quality, not the cheap ones that you see sometimes. These are really, really nice. So check out the website, get yourself a shirt, get yourself a hat. This is the OG drop, guys. So get in while they're hot. Support the channel and support everything we're doing. So yeah, guys, you can find all that in the link in the description below. It'll be the very top. I'll also probably have it in a pinned comment. Or you can also find a link to the merch on my website, jaegerbombtuned.com. So check that out if you guys would like as well. Got some other information and stuff on there. Still working on all that, but yeah, we got the merch out. So anyways, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Up in there, boy. You get that thing to hard park? No. Perfect, yeah. Yeah, that'll do it. Oh, we found him. That is not him. It was a 4-cylinder. That's somebody, though. Maybe the B across was the one. This thing getting sporty? Was that this thing?
I was doing it a little bit earlier.
Oh yeah. We heard something.
We were just hearing something. I got a shop right down there. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, he just did a nice roll.
Yeah.
This thing's pretty low.
I mean, it's got an exhaust leak really bad.
drive or just front wheel drive?
Just front wheel. Too broke to afford back tires, so the old back tires went on there. Or the old front tires went on there. Nobody wants to go hit a roll on the highway, do they?
Maybe. I haven't really tuned this thing yet. It's on a janky E70 tune that his first grab, so.
He's getting tuned right now, so. It's still not tuned. We're working on it, though.
Yeah, mine is.
It's tuned enough.
I haven't done any. Well, I just got my quick rebuilding the transmission in about 300 miles ago, so I haven't really done any.
I should try launching it right there. I haven't launched it yet with a new stall converter, so.
Well, now your tires are back to being dirty.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Insane thing I've ever seen.
Just would go over it without even feeling it.
No.
Especially next to the Lotus, it just looks massive. Yeah. Oh man. Goofing on a vehicle.
Someone's got the goofy ass shit out there.
Oh yeah. That's redonkulous.
Donk.
Oh.
Do these things come factory with carbon doors?
No.
No.
Yeah, I added all of that.
What do you think this thing weighs? Have you weighed it?
Without me in it, about a full tank of gas, it was 1860.
Ooh. That's light. That's real light.
What size of turbos on it?
It's a Pulsar 5449G. So
Okay.
basically like a G25 660.
Mm-hmm.
I recommend
Yep.
breaking an HP. 8 HP.
You gotta make a little bit of power to break those though, don't you?
Yeah, made 900 at the HS dyno last year, and that thing reads like super low. So.
You going to the dyno day this year?
I'm gonna try to, if I don't blow it up before then, but.
See if old Robbie Dobby can remember how to not shift next to any cars.
Yeah, that'll happen. I'm gonna make sure we got enough in fourth. Let's try to make it interesting.
put it in second, I couldn't miss third.
Yeah. Right. If you put it in third, when you shift to third, you can't miss third either. So they say. That thing's not slow.
No. Pretty quick.
All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you all for watching. As always, like I mentioned before, make sure to check out the merch. Get yourself a shirt, get yourself a hat, click all the links, do all the stuff. Thank you guys for the support as always. And yeah, we will see you all in the next one. Peace out, guys.